Hey guys, Matt here. Today I'm going to be testing rear wheel drive versus four wheel drive on remote control cars. I'm going to be testing the speed, the drifting and the handling of both of rear wheel drive and four wheel drive. So right now my car is no wheel drive, which means it's not powering anything. But I'm going to be making it rear wheel drive. It should now be rear wheel drive. I've disconnected the drive shaft, this thing here, that connects both the two wheels sort of thing, four wheels, whatever. Got the remote here, turn it on, ESC on. Look at that. Rear wheel drive. As easy as that. Alright, we got the car on the road now. Now let's try some rear wheel drive drifting. I've never done this before. Oh, so it's much slower. Oh. So you have to be pretty skilled to do rear wheel drive drifting. It takes a lot of control. I might need some grippier tires. Maybe this would be better on a different surface, because I'm not very good at this. I'm not even going full throttle, and this is what it's like. You might need some momentum. Let's try. Now here's the exciting part. We're going to be putting on these wheels. These are the wheels I just used in my other videos. Planning on getting some more, but I've got a bit of traction, so we can do some top speed runs and some handling tests. And I also have a fresh battery for that. Need an accurate test. Now let's try the rear wheel drive with traction. Okay, so we got the car driving with rear wheel drive. I'll test the top speed with my phone. Whoa! It turns very well though. I don't know if it's the same with the four wheel drive, but it does turn extremely well. Look at that. I'm even like kind of drifting with my traction tires. It's awesome. I think the tire might have come off, but whoa! Alright, so I've got the speedometer on. There it is. My phone. Now let's give it a few tests. Whoa, what was that? Ooh, 24.1 k's per hour. Whoa, the battery just fell out. Oops, should have pinned it up. Okay, now we have a new top speed of 26.8 k's per hour. I'm now going to swap it to four wheel drive. Wonder what speeds we're getting now. That is quite fast. Whoa. Same battery, 29 k's per hour. Now let's check out the handling. Yeah, the rear-wheel drive was much better with the handling. It was just so much more precise. Because with this, you're just dragging along. So in conclusion of this video, we've worked out that the handling on rear-wheel drive remote control cars is much more precise, and we have also worked out that the drifting on all-wheel drive RC cars is much more controlled and just easier to learn with if you're a beginner, that the speed on the RC car that's four-wheel drive is faster.